What if I told you that your smartphone could start paying you back, and all it takes is a few taps? Whether it's walking, gaming, watching videos, or even reading emails, there's an app out there ready to turn your everyday activities into cash. You don't need fancy skills or a huge investment, just a little bit of your time and the willingness to try something new. Ready to discover how to make money effortlessly, one app at a time? Let's dive into the free apps that pay daily and transform your free time into profit. Number 10. YouTube. YouTube isn't just a video sharing platform. It's a massive income-generating opportunity if used wisely. You don't even have to show your face or record anything yourself to make money. Many creators run automation channels where they outsource video production while earning significant revenue through ads. Imagine making hundreds or even thousands of dollars each day by sharing engaging content. Dave Nick, a YouTuber with immense success, shares free tutorials to help beginners get started with YouTube monetization. Whether you're creating a personal brand or running faceless channels, YouTube offers limitless earning potential for those willing to put in the effort. Number 9. User Crowd. User Crowd is an excellent option if you enjoy providing feedback and testing new products. Companies pay for honest reviews and insights about their websites, apps, and services. You'll be asked to click through websites, test features, and suggest improvements. It's an easy, fun way to earn money while shaping the products you use daily. Payment is quick, and you can withdraw earnings via PayPal. Best of all, it requires no prior experience, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to make quick cash with minimal effort. Number 8. Reward. Reward offers a range of activities to help you earn, including watching Twitch streams, listening to music, and taking quizzes. The app even rewards you for playing fun games and watching short clips. You'll encounter ads during these activities, and that's how the app generates revenue to share with its users. With over $400,000 paid out so far, Rewarder is gaining popularity for its diverse earning opportunities. Once you've accumulated enough, you can withdraw your cash or even participate in raffles to increase your earnings, making it both entertaining and rewarding. Number 7. Macadam app. For those who love staying active, the Macadam app is a dream come true. Imagine earning money just for walking around. It's that simple. This app rewards users for their steps by collecting public data. Don't worry, it doesn't touch your private information. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll in the park, walking your dog, or running errands, you're essentially getting paid to move. Available for both Android and iOS, Macadam turns your daily activities into a fun, rewarding experience. There's no complicated setup involved, making it easy to get started. What's better than combining fitness and finance? With Macadam, staying healthy becomes even more motivating, proving that every step you take can truly count towards something valuable. Number 6. WTIC. If you're someone who checks their emails daily, WTIC provides a way to turn that habit into a money-making opportunity. This app pays you for reading emails, but don't worry, it's not as tedious as it sounds. The emails contain ads, and all you need to do is open and view them to start earning. With payouts starting as low as $0.20, it's easy to accumulate earnings and cash out quickly. To avoid cluttering your primary inbox, it's a smart idea to use a separate email address specifically for this app. WTI makes it effortless to monetize your inbox, offering a hassle-free way to turn email spam into real spending money. Whether you're scrolling through your inbox during your morning coffee or winding down in the evening, WTIC ensures your time spent checking emails isn't wasted. Number 5. SurveyMagic.com. If sharing your opinions sounds like an easy way to make money, then SurveyMagic.com is the app for you. This platform pays users in real cash, not just gift cards for completing surveys. From providing insights on consumer products to testing new ideas, you'll earn money for tasks that require little more than your honest input. While the payouts might seem small at first, they can add up over time, especially if you dedicate a few minutes each day to answering surveys. Whether you're sitting on the couch or commuting, SurveyMagic transforms idle time into a productive and profitable activity. For those looking to make a little extra money on the side, this app provides a straightforward and effective way to turn your spare time into cash. Number 4. Medium.com. If you love expressing yourself through writing, Medium is a treasure trove for turning your passion into profit. This platform allows writers to share their thoughts, ideas, and expertise with a global audience while earning money through affiliate links and reader engagement. By crafting blog posts that captivate readers and strategically including affiliate links, you can drive traffic to products and earn commissions effortlessly. What makes Medium so appealing is its ability to amplify your reach. Whether you're an expert in tech, a lifestyle enthusiast, or someone sharing personal stories, Medium connects you with the right audience. Many creators are making tens of thousands of dollars monthly by creating well-targeted content. So, if you've ever dreamed of turning your words into wealth, Medium is the perfect stage to showcase your creativity and expertise. Number 3. LootUp. Exclusively designed for Android users, LootUp makes earning money as easy as completing everyday online activities. This app rewards users for watching videos, clicking ads, answering surveys, and completing simple tasks. As a cherry on top, new users are welcomed with a $5 sign-up bonus, making the experience even more enticing. While the platform ensures fair play and doesn't allow multiple accounts, it offers straightforward and engaging tasks that don't require much effort. The payment methods are diverse, allowing users to cash out through PayPal, cryptocurrency, or various gift cards. Whether you're waiting for your coffee to brew or killing time at the bus stop, LootUp transforms idle moments into earning opportunities. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking for a simple and flexible way to make extra cash on the go. Number 2. Tellapp.com. Tellapp merges the thrill of gaming with the joy of earning money, creating an exhilarating experience for its users. The app enables players to engage in short, 30-second competitive games where winners double their tokens, which can then be exchanged for real money. It's available globally for both Android and iOS, ensuring that anyone can jump in and start playing. With millions of dollars already earned by its users, Tellapp is proof that gaming is no longer just a pastime, it's a legitimate way to boost your bank account. Whether you're a weekend gamer or a seasoned competitor, this app provides a unique opportunity to monetize your skills. If you're looking for a fun, fast-paced way to earn some extra cash, Tellapp is your go-to destination. Number 1. TikTok Creativity Program. When it comes to modern money-making opportunities, the TikTok Creativity Program stands out as one of the most exciting options. This platform has transformed TikTok from a space for viral dance trends into a serious income stream for creators worldwide. You don't need fancy equipment, expensive software, or even on-camera skills to succeed. TikTok offers an inclusive space where creativity reigns supreme. Through this program, users can earn thousands of dollars each month by producing engaging content that captures the attention of their audience. Dave Nick, a seasoned TikTok entrepreneur, even provides a free tutorial on how to get started, making the process accessible to everyone. Whether you're a budding creator or a seasoned digital marketer, the TikTok Creativity Program has the potential to turn your social media presence into a goldmine. If you've ever dreamed of making money while having fun, this program is your golden opportunity. And there you have it, amazing apps that can help you earn extra cash right from your phone. Whether you're walking, playing games, or simply sharing your opinions, these apps prove that making money online has never been this fun or easy. So why wait? Start exploring these options today and let your free time pay off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips, tricks, and money-making ideas.